Well, guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you create a button on Figma. First, what you're gonna do is about to throw something that we want. Actually, draw a rectangle and add rounded corners on the button shape. So we can start to go over here on this one. So as you can see, we can see the rounded corners here is really the radius 0, which is really typed it. We can actually start to add a plugin, okay, like buttons. Actually, we can see that there is one of it. You can insert stick over it horizontally, vertically, and group both elements for the layout and turning it into button. So you can see right here for something that is really about, okay, we can click here, continue button, okay, and then we can see right now that we want to start to make it as a button, okay, and then we can start control A and then go here and component, create component, and this will be about we looks like a component. And then as you can see, we can go to plugin and make button CTA button, call to action buttons for design for one click, or open links, navigate design, which is really this one. And we can start to go over here with this kind of Figma. So we can start right now configure this web, and we can add this web actually. Type a label, continue, and then starting with any kind of web that you want. But okay, to current view, and here we are to current this view as a button. If you click on it, it will absolutely open a link like it. You can make it small also if you want. And this is all about here, guys, to create a layer that is really in form of this one.